Children are the most important asset in any country.
Don't forget, don't forget.
Any country that does not care for its children is not worth to be called a country.
Remember, don't forget. Why you live one baby.
This one goes to Emma McCune, angel to the rescue one afternoon. I'm here because you rescued me. I'm proud to carry your legacy. Thank you, bless you, R.I.P.s.
What would I be if Emma never rescued me? What would I be? What would I be? Another Islamic refugee. What would I be? What would I be if Emma never rescued me?
You would have seen my face on the telly, bad hungry belly, eyes in my eyes, head too big for my size. Just another little starving child, running around in Africa, born to be wise. Praise God, praise the Almighty for sending an angel to rescue me. I got a reason for being on this earth, cause I know more than many